Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, welcome. Today is Magical Mask Day. And we are going to pull an oracle card using the Denise Lynn, the Sacred Forest Oracle. And also I'm going to do the Moonology Oracle card deck dependent on the moon phase today. I'll read you that meaning. So today we are using the Revitalizing Japanese Sake Mask. It enhances radiance, and this is by Glam Up. And it says to leave on from 10. Anywhere from 10 to 30 minutes. So, I'll give you a little update on Heidi. She's doing really well. If you see me keep looking back, she's on the camera. She is walking all on her own with the walker with no, like I don't need to hold on to her anymore with the gait belt or anything like that. And also, we got the house inspected, so to remodel and all that. So we had to change our remodeling plans a little bit, but everything is on track, and we ordered a walk-in tub that also has a shower built into it. And it should be coming anytime between the 18th and the 26th, I think it said. So we had to change a little bit of the planning due to load-bearing walls and things of that nature. I hope you can hear me okay. I'm sure you can hear Heidi running her mouth in the background. She is playing with her oh, I forget what they're called. They're like Barbie dolls, but they're like Monster High dolls. So she's playing with those and just having a blast. So another thing that happened, because I've been preparing the room, that the tub's going in, like clearing a path, moving things, so there's a straight shot because the tub's heavy. So when it's delivered, for them to get it put into place. So I had moved Heidi's walker into the dining room to make room to move some boxes out, because I've been cleaning out closets and donating and stuff like that. So I had moved her walker into the dining room, and I walked outside on the front porch to hand boxes to be put in. Wow, look at my crazy hair. To be put in the truck. And Heidi had to go to the bathroom and got up and walked approximately 14 feet one way to the potty chair with no walker, no balance issues, and back, which we were shocked. And at night we were noticing she is going from her bed to the potty chair without the walker. So her balance is improving 100%, which makes me real happy. Alright, so today's oracle card is going to be from the Sacred Forest. I am going to shuffle. This mask feels really nice. It smells weird, but it's falling off. I just don't want to get this all over my cards. So I hope everybody's week's been going good. I mean, this has been a hell of an experience, and just trying to be a support for Heidi is all I can do, because this happened to her, not me. I mean, of course, I'm dealing with, the helping of her, but she is doing really well. I mean, I, since we've been home and everything, we're forming a routine. I can see that her stress level has just gone down, and she's doing really well. So, it's all we can ask for, right? Oh, that one flew out. That will be the card. Hold on. Okay. This is a very beautiful card. Let me get all situated again. All right, we pulled Owl Spirit. Isn't that beautiful? Okay, what does Owl Spirit mean? So what do we need to know for this week? What number is that? 27. The number of the card is 27, in case you want to write that down or whatever. All right. The description of the card is the sun has set and you feel a remarkable transformation occurring. Your body shape shifts into an owl. You stretch out your huge wings and silently soar to the top of the tallest pine tree and look over the moonlit forest. Your ability to see the smallest details, even in the darkness, is remarkable. Your sight expands and you see luminous light bodies of the spirit of the forest. They signal you with love and compassion. All right, so this card, the keyword is wisdom. Abounding insight, profound majesty, and grace are available to you now. Simply by pulling your awareness inward, ancient wisdom is emerging. You know the truth. Trust your intuition and perception right now. You are a truth seeker and a truth sharer. The excellent sight of an owl in the darkness corresponds with your ability to perceive the reality of a situation, even in the murkiest of conditions. When this card chooses you, you are at the advent of a time of profound illumination and transformation. The owl sits at the shoulder of Athena and Merlin, revealing sacred truths. In some native cultures, the owl is called the night eagle, for it has the majesty of the eagle, but works silently in the darkness of night. This card can also mean that it's time to embrace your dark side as well as your light side. Doing so, you will be in balance. The spirit of the owl says, trust in your ability to see the deepest truths in situations and in people. Wisdom is growing within you in mysterious ways beyond your awareness. This is a good time to sign up for inspirational courses. Messages from Spirit are all around you. Look for them and trust what you feel. That is a beautiful message and a beautiful card. And we can all use that advice, right? All right, so out of the Moonology Oracle deck, right now, the moon phase today is Monday, May 8th, and we are in a gibbous moon, which is the phase right after the full moon. So we are going to look up the meaning. I will show you the card in a minute. Alright, so this is the card that represents the gibbous moon. And it says you're very close to achieving your goal. Well, that kind of goes with that owl, huh? Okay, so the word gibbous means bulging. What a descriptive word, right? And pulling this card at any time of the month suggests that the situation you're asking about is bulging, with possibility in coming to a peak. But this isn't an ending card with a neat yes or no answer. Rather, you're being reminded that some adjustments may yet be required before you get what you want, though you're certainly on the right track, which is hopefully reassuring for you. However, there is also a sense that the situation is a bit tense, so don't push too hard. One false move, and the whole thing could blow. That's not meant to scare you, it's just to let you know there's a fuse attached to the situation, so be careful if you choose to light it. Additional meanings for this card are: now is a good time to review your plans, keep the momentum going as you move through your dreams, stay focused. It's a good time to start a new project, and you need to get back to good health habits. The gibbous moons comes at the very end of the lunar cycle, this is a waning gibbous moon, right after the full moon. She looks like she's bulging in the waxing cycle, and looks like she's shrinking in the waning cycle. We're in the waning cycle. No matter when you pull this card, it suggests very ripe time in a very ripe situation. So, there's the two cards. So, listen to your intuition and let it guide you and your gut feelings and start new projects. I think that was a very positive reading for this week. I don't know if you guys like these, if um, what I've been doing on Magic Mask Mondays. I'm trying to do them on Mondays, but Magical Mask Day. I hope you like the Oracle card um, readings. I think they're fun, and especially this deck. I just love it. So that was our message for this week. Things to focus on. So I don't have many makeup things planned for this week. We have a very busy week, actually the next 2 weeks, with catching up on appointments that we had to um, rearrange because of Heidi's surgery and everything. So I'm catching up on me and my mother's appointments, and Heidi has a few appointments. So I did get some new makeup palettes from Rude Cosmetics. I'll be doing a makeup look with them, I think, for Mother's Day coming up in my collab with the Brewed Beauties. And that's it for today. I think I'm going to remove this since this is one of the drier masks I've ever had from these masks. Rub that in. So, with that, I hope you enjoyed this video. And I hope you like and subscribe if you like this kind of content. Hit that notification bell if you want to be notified when I upload. And until next time, we'll see you later. Bye.